October's been the hottest October. My corn blew over. It grew really tall, but it didn't blew over in the wind. I think I've got corn anyway. Glass Jim corn, which is a kind of variety of corn. It's a popcorn or a flint corn, so it's going to be a hard corn. It's not the kind you eat. It's you pop it or grind it up, but it's super decorative. I'm super excited to see how it turned out. It's going to be amazing, I hope, or else it's not going to be anything. So we'll see. So, shade. Is it focusing on it, I hope? So you can see?
Looks like it.
That's really cool. Wah, wah, wah. Very cool. I like some blues.
There's a worm or two.
Here you go.